What's going on, dogs? My name is Lay Dog, and today we're back with another video. And it's getting pretty late at night, but who cares? I just got the Fantom wedge. It's looking pretty nice. And now we're gonna do haulage, the mission. And of course, it's here to do it. But this one can handle it. And yes, pretty nice, man. Like, it just smashes through vehicles. I'm not sure how strong it is, and I'm not sure if it has bulletproof tires, but look at that. Just demolishes stuff. And it's faster than a normal Fantom. And it just smashes, like, it doesn't care. But I've heard it does blow up pretty quickly, but I'm not too fan of. We'll go to the tool I've never heard of that. No, I've never did this mission before, if I'm honest. Like, this is the first time I'm doing it. With the first time I'm using the Fantom wedge. Except when you're a VIP, you can do a mission with a Fantom wedge. But using this, what I want to do first time. Oh no, son, get wrecked. Jesus. Smash! I just love looking behind you how they were flying. You can't modify this as well though. Well, what's pretty much a shame. What's a shame. But who cares? It's still a good vehicle. Oh no. Oh, please don't say that's a buzzard. Or that'll just make my day horrible. Smash! Holy crap. Oh, we're here. Smash. Smash. Woo! Okay. Whoa! Sick. Deliver the trailer to the drop-off. Other place of being. Did you see that turret car? I've got one of them. What can go on water, but it's cool that there's just one there. I wonder if that's always there or only this mission. How far? Oh, it's not that far. No, I can just smash cars out of the way if anyone gets too close. Okay. Once it pings, eat like kings. That is my new motto. Once it pings, eat like kings. This thing just looks so menacing. Like, imagine seeing this thing in real life. You'd be out and you'd go boop, boop. Yeah, and just say I'm in this car and it just goes bang. But that was not a good example. So you're in your car, you just see this thing behind you and it just goes boop. Oh, it still wasn't good enough. I will find a car. This is cool. And guys, let me know if I should do gaming videos more or vlogs and Q&A stuff and more. What should I do more of? Pretty much. Holy! What was that? Was it just me or did something blow up and someone following us? Two. What is he hit? What is he in? He's gone so fast. Oh, this is so close. He's gonna catch us. He's gonna do it. Where is he? Come on. Just a tiny bit further. He's so close, but so far. Come on! Come on! Oh shit. Mistakes. Oh sh! No! Oh! Oh no! Oh! We were so close. There's nothing we can do. It's over. It's generally over, isn't it? It's still there. Shit. Oh, sorry about my language. But oh my gosh. The last second, guys. The last second. He screws us over. Like, we can't get a truck or anything in 5 minutes. If he doesn't destroy it by then. Holy crap, there's 2 people about to kill us. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't be a douchebag. Holy crap. Fuck's sake. Oh, sorry guys. Gotcha, bitch. Oh no. Ah! Oh my god. Holy crap. No! What the? What was that, man? My head came off. But anyways, guys, it's gonna be the end of this video, and I'll see you dogs next time. Goodbye.